Here's how I enhance images using ChatGPT Plus to enhance my photos from looking like this to turning them into something like this into something like this. So let's get started. It's actually really simple. And the first thing I do is I create a project. So if you want to create a project, you go click this plus button and then create a project, name it whatever you want. The reason I create a project is so that it's always here, easy for me to access. Now, the prompt I use at the very beginning of this project is I want to make an image for me based on photos of me for YouTube thumbnails. I want the lighting to be very nice, although don't change my skin tone. Now, initially when I did this, they oversaturated my skin tone, which I didn't like. I wanted to keep it natural, so that's why I added this. Some nice colored lights shining on my edges would be nice, although very subtle. Again, I just don't want it to do too much. I want it to pop without looking too much. I'll give you photos soon. It says send 3 to 5 clear photos of yourself. Boom, that's what I did. I actually just sent two. These two are the exact same photos, I think. I just recorded myself and then took screenshots essentially to get photos like this. Now, to upload photos to ChatGPT, it's really simple. You just literally just drag and drop it like that, and that's how you get the photos. So boom, first photo of me looking very nice. We got this teal and orange look going on. I think that looks very clean. And then essentially I just upload photos of me and ChatGPT pumps out photos of me that look more enhanced and look so much better for these YouTube thumbnails. So this is the next one. Looks alright, but boom, we got this like pink and teal light shining on my sides, which I asked it to do. Very nice. This is my boy Mike, so it works on other people as well. Look at this thumbnail. It looks very clean, very crisp. Again, teal and orange, very classic YouTube look. This is me again. There we go, looking very clean. This one turned into this, again, very clean. Another one. And sometimes when I upload photos, I'll say, next one, make background nice as well, thanks. There we go. But overall, that's how I do it. Usually then I will download this photo and then, go to Canva and then make some further edits, add logos, add text. I add gradients on either side for this one. I've got other thumbnails in the works. But that's pretty much how I do it. And if you want tutorials on how I make my thumbnails and how I use ChatGPT to think of ideas, help me think of ideas, let me know. I can essentially show you my workflow. But otherwise, that's how I do it. If you want CapCut editing tutorials or other content how-to videos, I've got playlists showing you what I know. I hope this video is helpful. Consider subscribing if you would like more, and I'll see you in the next one.